Sweet Seattle, Lindy Hop 3, next level Frankie moves. We are celebrating the birthday of Frankie Manning this month at Swing at Seattle by having a lot of Frankie Manning themed classes. This class that we taught tonight was a recreation of a workshop Frankie did at Harangue Dance Camp in 2005. Here's what we did. We could go step, step, triple step, hand shake behind the back, rock, step, kick, run, cross, and scoot, rock, step, down, skate, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and break. Then you turn around, skate, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, walk, fall off the break. Week number 1.